Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to have a smooth finish on your Capcut edit by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is open the Capcut application right there, and after that you can just start a new project, or you can also use your previous project that you have. So for today I want to use my previous project here. I already have the video, the sound, as well as the captions. But then let's just go into the end of the clip and see how does this clip end. Okay, go.
In several positions.
And that's just like stop right away, and it's not smooth at all. So to make this project have the smooth ending, we just need to go click the clip, and after that you just need to go click the animation, and now you just need to click in out. Means that you can add a animation for the end of the clip. You can just like looking for what animation that you need for the clip. So I always using a fade out to make a smooth ending. So yeah, the name of animation is fade out. Just need to click it, and now you just need to adjust how long the animation will be applied into your clip. For let's say I want the clip like start up here like 10 seconds from the end. Okay, and after you're done,
Which organization
you just
that
need to
by food
click
science
done.
and biotechnology students. I joined the organization for about 3
And you
years
can
in
see
several
here the
positions.
video is like slowly disappearing from the screen. That's all the way how to make a smooth ending on the Capcut application. So if you find out this tutorial is guide you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.